Okay, sealed fuel filters, as on the Peugeot 206 1400 HDI. I've just changed this one. It's a sealed unit. Changed the whole unit. Ever wonder what's inside? Well, this is the one I've just taken off. Let's go and have a look. Don't know why they can't make it a replaceable filter. With the help of cutting, we'll set the top off, and inside we have just a normal element. I don't know why they couldn't make it with a screw top, so you could just change the element. It's a Budweiser day. Lovely. Thanks for watching.